Yes, I see it, but I don't believe it. The new MacBook Pro 15 with Vega graphics and i9 is as fast as the Windows laptops, and it's not even using CUDA. Woo! Alright, tell you there champs, now I just got this laptop like a few hours ago, so please bear with me. I'm going to pump out the content in the next few days, so if you're interested in seeing how Vega performs and the MacBook Pro 15 performs with Vega, make sure you subscribe. Hit me up on Twitter because I will put my benchmark straight up on Twitter. I'd like to know if you'd like me to pump out the videos as quick as I can rather than taking a longer time and making a more polished video. I think you would appreciate me just pumping it out, so that's what I'm going to do. Let me know if that's what you want. Give me a thumbs up. If that's what you don't want, give me a thumbs down. So this is indeed the new MacBook Pro 15 with the Vega graphics, Vega 20 i9 32 gigs RAM, just come out. I'm going to talk about Premiere Pro. I'm being a bit selfish here because that's what's most important to me. I will be covering everything: Final Cut, Photoshop, Lightroom, and let me know down there in the comments anything else you want tested, and I will slam this for gaming, everything like that. So let's get into this. This is game changing. Wow, we have a laptop here. This laptop here with Vega 20 is as fast as all the Windows laptops now. Like before, I said it was always competitive. With this Vega, we got around a 14% jump in render times. Now look at that, 8 minutes and 59 seconds. And the XPS 15, 9 minutes and 6 seconds. That's within sort of like the margin of error there, but it kept up. It's using OpenCL, not CUDA as well. Wow, I did not expect this. Hardware encoding, it's faster too. It's as fast as every other 15-inch laptop now. No longer can I say it's competitive, or, you know, if you want the fastest, get the Windows. Certainly in Premiere, and we'll see how it is with other programs. It usually scales. I'm not going to draw any conclusions now, but it's fair to say it's, you know, it's nip and tuck now, you know. And I just can't believe that using OpenCL in Premiere, that it's beating these laptops, these Windows laptops that are using CUDA. So I'm actually going to do a test myself, and I'm going to whack a Vega into one of my desktops and just actually see, is there any difference between OpenCL and CUDA anymore in rendering and playback? Now, more importantly than rendering, which I don't really care that much about, is how it performs in the timeline, and it's a big difference. Okay, now I can play back my 4K footage, which is from Panasonic GH5, with color correction at full. Okay, you could never do that with the last MacBook Pro. You had to put it down to half. I can do it at full now, just like all the other PCs, and I can play back raw red footage, 8K footage at quarter. Now, there's only one other laptop that can do that. That's the XPS 15 out of all the laptops I've tested. So it's smoking, you know. Laptops like the Razer Blade, this is just mind-boggling because the Razer Blade has a GTX 1070. It's just, wow, I'm speechless, as you can see. So anyway, make sure you subscribe. I've got lots more content to come out about this. I'll just leave a couple of videos here at the end. I addressed the fan noise as well. Ash, you know, you're looking for it. And I'm just going to slap out these videos as quick as I can. Catch you in the next one. Tally ho. So I want to show you something here. Look here for the green light. That is indicator for drop frames. We're on full. We have a 4K project here, and we have color correction. That's the pink track there is the color correction. Now, the previous MacBook Pro could not play back with color correction. Couldn't play it at full. You had to put it to half to play it with color correction. Now let's just see here. Green light, full, playing it back. Woo! Yes, that's Vega, baby. That's Vega. And it could not do that. Now I'm using metal. I will test it with OpenCL, but straight away, this is more important to me. Whether it renders faster or not, I'm not really worried about, but how it performs in the timeline, wow. I just want to see if I can actually do some color correction on the fly with this Vega. Check out, it's on full color correction, and we'll get the curves out and we'll play this footage. Watch for the green light. We'll do color correction on the fly now. Boom, look, color correction on the fly. My God, this, oh, there you go. Well, there you go. That's it, that's the limit. Color correction on the fly, no one's doing that. But this performs as well as any PC in the timeline in Premiere Pro now. Okay, so this is 8K footage, and indeed, no laptop will ever play this at half.
So it's raw red footage, 8K. You know, it's not compressed or uncompressed. It's just straight out of the camera. As you can see, it will not play it at half. There's only one laptop that can play it at quarter, and that's the XPS 15 so far out of all the laptops I've tested. And this is at quarter. Now you can see quarter. We can see no drop frames, all green there. Boom. Oh, it's a powerful beast. And this is OpenCL. It's beaten all these laptops from Windows. Ash, it's still loud AF. Cool and quiet, forget about it.